Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Remo Tasks. We're going to find out whether it is worth your while doing, whether they do actually pay PayPal money, and also what you have to do to actually earn that cash so that you can withdraw it. So stay tuned right to the very end, and we're going to be going through everything you need to know about Remo Tasks. It's starting right now. Okay, so as you can see here, Remo Tasks earn in dollars doing online tasks from home. So it's as simple as that. You will be doing online tasks. Now I've had a quick look into Remo Tasks, and it does seem a little bit quirky. It's not your normal online task that you do from home. So let's run through exactly what they do and obviously whether it is a totally legit site or not. Well, before we go and show you what the sort of tasks are you're going to be doing, I normally do, like I say, a bit of research. So I've actually gone over to check out see what I could find out about the company behind Remo Tasks. If you come across onto their terms of use, it actually says the actual company name here, which is Smart Ecosystems Inc. And they're based in Delaware, and they're based out of the San Francisco, and also they have offices also in the Philippines and Singapore, which is where most of their actual employees work from. So let's see if we can back that up. Well, I went and searched obviously the Smart Ecosystem Inc. As we can see here, we've got a Remotasks Smart Ecosystem Inc. trademark registration. So they've obviously registered the trademark. So that is a really good sign. If they've come across, here is the trademark application as well, you can actually look at. So this is looking like a very true and legit company, guys. You don't go and register a trademark if you're going to scam people, because obviously you're not going to be around for that long. So I also had a quick look on Trustpilot, which is quite a reputable site. And as you can see here, they actually claimed their Trustpilot profile back in November. The reviews actually are a little bit hit and miss. There's quite a few bad, quite a few excellent. So again, have a read through of these. But the good thing is that they are answering questions on their actual profile here, guys. So this guy's had an issue, and they've obviously gone back and actually answered him and given him some support articles to go and look at. So again, that doesn't shout a sort of scam to me. It shouts people that are wanting to actually help you and sort problems out if you do have an actual problem. So that's another good thing to have. So we can also go over to a site called who.is, and as you can see here, I've put in the actual domain name here, and this will tell you when the domain name was registered and who owns the domain name. And as you can see, it was registered back in 2017, so it's been a while, around for a while, guys. Okay, it's not something that's just obviously a brand new site or anything like that. And as you scroll down as well, it actually says that the actual the organisation is obviously got a privacy service, but it's actually got a PO box number and a Seattle address. Now, again, that is not too bad. Seattle, that's America, so obviously that ties in with where they say they are based as well. So all in all, things are looking okay with the Remo Tasks. So let's go and have a quick look at exactly how it actually works. So as you can see here, it says you're going to do tasks, get paid, and it's that simple. Now, as you can see by these tasks, they're slightly different to the normal surveys and that sort of thing. You can get paid for doing labeling images, to transcribing audios, earn money completing simple tasks. Okay, but what they also do, they give you training first. So you have to take the training. And then obviously you get applied for certain jobs that you can actually then do, and then once you do those, you will get an allotted amount of money for each task. Okay, now once you've obviously completed the task and it's completed to a certain level, then you will obviously get paid, and they say you're going to get paid via PayPal or AirTM, and you're going to get paid that on a weekly basis. So you're going to complete the work, it's going to get verified, and then if it's okay, you will then get paid via PayPal. There is no experience required, and you can actually, like it says here, we'll teach you everything you need to know. Learn how to do tasks from our online courses or join our free bootcamp program, free bootcamp program to get hands-on training by certified team members. So you can sign up for the free bootcamp here. So you can actually work from anywhere, anytime. And also you can do this near enough worldwide. Okay, it incorporates near enough every country in the world. But when you go and sign up, obviously check this out. Now it's very, very easy to sign up and it's free. All you've got to do is come over here, click on the sign up button here. Takes you to this page here. Like I say, all you've got to do is I agree to the terms and conditions, and you can obviously continue with Facebook or with Google. If you've already got an account, obviously you can log in here as well. Now it also says here on the left hand side, why Remo Tasks. Well, obviously they say you're going to get consistent work. There are new projects always coming in and long-term projects that are you can consistently work on. So get paid often, cash out your earnings every single week, and while working from home, Remo Tasks have earned over $15 million so far. Now, the online bootcamp here, as we've just clicked on, as you can go and join. It says here you can join up for our free virtual bootcamp and be one of our top online taskers, earning between $100 to $250 per month. So again, it's quite a realistic figure because they're not saying you're going to earn a full-time income. You're going to earn a top-up income. Now, if you want to earn more than this per month, then and you're interested in actually starting your own business and actually scaling that up to a full-time income, then check out my number one recommendation in the link in the description below here, which you can start for free. And funny enough, they've got their own bootcamp which you can start for as well, and actually they give you $20 just for completing the bootcamp. So if you're interested in that as well, then check out the number one link in my number one recommendation in the description below. But like I say, with this bootcamp, it's nice and easy to do. Sign up for the free bootcamp. So they give you all the training and everything you need, which is really, really good. And you just need to literally fill in these details here and then register. It's as simple as that. So let's head over into the Remo Tasks website and find out exactly how it all works out inside the actual dashboard. Now this is inside my dashboard. Like I say, I've just actually opened the account, and you can actually start doing training, etc. straight away. This one here is start tasking. So it walks you through and gives you some training on the activity that you're going to be doing, and then when you pass that, you will then get jobs to do that particular task. Okay, and then once you get certain tasks, or if you want to keep a log of your tasks, you can do so here. So this obviously tells you how the payment guide is. Accuracy and involvement in the task. The amount earned increases as your involvement gets more complex and as you get closer to 100% accuracy. So you get more pay, so you can go up levels and then gradually go up more and more levels as you go through. You can also access the more courses here, and you can obviously get that by the training here as well. And another good way is you can actually earn $10 if you refer a friend. So for argument's sake, if you were looking at joining the Remo Tasks, if you click on the link below in the description, this will actually get you a $10 bonus by clicking on that link. Okay, so make sure you do that, and you can obviously give that link to other people, friends, family, etc., and then you could earn $10 as well as them earning $10. Like I say, Remo Tasks does look a legit company. There's loads of good things going on there, loads of support, loads of free training, and they're not telling you you're going to go and earn thousands of dollars off the bat. They're giving you realistic figures of what you can actually earn for your time. So it's certainly, if you're looking to do some If you're looking to earn some extra money from home, then it certainly would be a good idea to actually go and check out Remo Tasks for yourself and do your own due diligence, obviously, on it. And obviously, if you're already a member of Remo Tasks or you're just looking to start to join or whatever, then let me know in the comments below here. How's it going for you? Have you had a payout, etc.? Do they pay out regularly? All those sort of things. Let us know in the comments below, guys. It's really helpful for others as well. And also make sure you obviously smash up the like button on this video as well, because that will make it go higher in the analytics, and obviously more people will then see it as well. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously whack up the old like button there. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every single time we make a new video. That's it for today. Don't forget to check out this video next, and we will see you on the next video.